Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with both SIMs inserted and a backup in place. This prevents loss. Once done, open your Contacts app and set the view filter to show only SIM1 entries so you see the items to move. Tap one contact to confirm it's stored on SIM1, then enter multi-select mode to pick a group to transfer. Make sure you have permission to write to Sim2. Some phones block SIM writes, so check settings now. Now you'll export the selected SIM1 contacts so you can place them on SIM2. This avoids accidental edits. Tap Export and save a VCF file to internal storage, or if your phone allows direct copy, pick Import/Export and choose Copy to SIM2. Once exported, use Import on the target SIM slot and select the saved VCF. The system maps fields automatically. Make sure you choose SIM. Finish by verifying the transfer. Filter contacts to SIM2 and open a handful to confirm names and numbers copied correctly. Once satisfied, remove or archive the original SIM1 entries if you want a single master copy, and reboot the phone so the SIM registry refreshes. If contacts appear truncated or import fails, make sure the SIM supports contact storage and that you use the correct import option. If necessary, retry via the VCF import or use your carrier's app to write to Sim2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.